Hello. So in the last video I created this user control project and I start to add an interaction with the web service. In this video I'm going to actually describe what I did in between. Okay, so basically what I did is I added this new button to the user control 1. Let's see the implementation. Okay, I added this new delegate. I named it toServer. So it's basically an outgoing callback. Whenever the user clicks on button 2, I'm going to send the text of label 1 to this method to the server. Let's see the other user control. Is the user control supposed to be running on the Java context? It basically includes the first user control. Let's see the implementation. Also, here I have a property setter, which basically sets the toServer callback for the inner user control, and it actually changes the text by prefixing it with Java suffix. No, prefix, yep. Okay, so I have these two controls and I have this applet user control. Let's open it. So here I now store this user control in a member variable, a field. Look, Visual Studio nicely colorizes it. I also have this new property setter on my applet. This can be called from JavaScript context. The proxy code is generated by JSC. So this property setter also only forwards the delegate to the inner control. If you look at it, you see it's going to this control. Okay. So the next step is to actually define a method on the application web service which will be the endpoint for this toString delegate. I have done it. Let's open application web services. I created this new method demo1. It accepts only string, and what it does is, because we are running in the debug environment, I'm going to just change the console color to yellow, and I'm going to write to the console. Okay, so let's have a look at the application, the JavaScript application basically. Here I'm creating this new user control 1 and I'm going to assign the toServer delegate. In this delegate, whenever the user clicks on the second button, I'm receiving the text, and I'm going to create a new instance of the application web service in this JavaScript context. It is actually going to be a proxy object, and you will be able to call the methods. So I'm going to call demo1 and I will pass the text. So it will reach the server. Also, whenever I create a flash object, I will also set its property toServer, and it basically has the same implementation. Okay, so this setter actually runs whenever this Java applet actually loads. So you will get a slight delay here because loading a Java applet takes a few moments. Okay, we are ready. We'll close the windows. I will do a clean build and I will do a build. And let's hit F5. So you can see here, this is the console for the debugging purpose. It is currently recompiling our application. It's invoking the JavaC backend compiler, creating the jar files, as you can see some work. Okay, keeps to and now it's loading the web page. Which should be placed by the user. I think Java is loading itself. As you can see, the user controls are now there. First one was JavaScript context. The second one is a Java context. Both are Windows 4 user controls at the moment. And let's click this button. JavaScript goes to the server. Label 1. Let's change the label and try again. We get hello. Great. And let's do the same in Java. Java label 1. Java hello. So now we sent a regular string to the server. But what if we actually want to send something better, something like a data type? Let's see how we can do that. I'm going to stop the debug session. And let's define a new data type. Data. Let's name it class 1. Let's make it have 2 fields. Okay, I will continue with this in the next video. Thank you.